Yeah, so now I just did a chicken nugget tier list, but I'm doing another one. Well, actually, I'm gonna do two because I couldn't think of which one, and there's more. So, yeah, we're gonna do two. I'm just gonna change the names of these. Yeah. Go back. I'm gonna change this to go back. S A B C and D. Okay. Starting off with one that, in my opinion, is the best. This one. You can't change my mind. I have to zoom in to look at which one I should choose next. There's so many. This one. Chee's actions have been unacceptable. And because of this, I was gonna put this in B rank, but because of the latest episodes, I am now moving it down from the top of B rank down to the bottom of C rank. And you can't change my mind about that. Anyway, moving on. Gotta look around. This one, if you were there, you would know why. I'm not gonna explain what I mean. This one goes in D, obviously. Any ship that has Buzzle in it goes in D rank. You can't change my mind. Yeah, this one goes in D too. Okay. This was originally gonna be the original idea, so I guess I'll put in B. I guess I'll put this in B too. I guess. This one, This one, oh wait, move this back. I guess is okay. This is at the bottom of C, like I said. This one's at the top of A. It was an S, but I've moved it down to A. This one was actually in a dream I had once. And thinking back at it, it's actually kind of funny. Funny enough that I'm gonna put it in A. I'm just kidding, B. This one, A. This one, B. This one, also B. Wait, actually... I guess I'll have it in A, B. This... C, I guess. This one, I guess is alright. I'll put it... Hold on, let me just put this right there. Hold on. I'll come back to that. This one is C. This one, I guess, is okay, but I'm still gonna put in C. This one, I guess B. This one, C. Yeah, C. I saw a funny image on Reddit one time where they were kissing, and that was funny, so I guess I'll put it in B. Because it's funny. This one, C. I guess. And for these two, my mind is telling me to put in A, but also B. I guess so. Yeah. Screw it, I'll put it in A. Okay, and that's this one. Now let's do the other one. Right off the bat, that one goes in S. No doubt about that. This one goes at the top. Wait, hold on. Did I have this? Okay, yeah, I did. This one goes F. This one is a D. Why? I don't know. This one F. This one F. 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 And F. Whoops. Yeah. God, there is one that has literally almost everyone except Sodi for obvious reasons. We'll save that one. This one A. This one B, I guess. Why am I giving some of these different ranks from the other one? I don't know. This, I guess, C. This one A. Like I said, bottom of C rank. You know what you did wrong. This one goes in A. This one be a C. I could have went with be a B, but I went with be a C. I'm sorry. This one I don't really get. This one I guess is a B. It's okay, I guess. This one, I mean, I guess it's okay. This one's okay. This one, B. This one's C, I guess. This one's also a C. Yeah, C. B, I guess. an A. Oh wait, no, that's C. I guess this is okay. I thought I already put this. I guess an A. This one, C. This one also C. B. People are shipped hot sauce with sarsaparilla, so why not? I guess C. C. Put that there. And C. Now we got the triples now. Start with this, actually. I actually had an idea with this one for this, so this goes in A. We'll save this one for last. This also goes in A, I guess. I guess C. Fine. B, I guess. B. I guess a C. Well, actually, B. I guess C. B. B. Finally, this goes in S. I'm just kidding. A. What? This one is the only one, in my opinion, that deserves to be in here, up here. In my opinion. Okay. My opinion. Okay. So yeah, here's the first one again. And here's the second one again. Yeah, that's it, I guess. Yeah.